Welcome, adventurers! Are you ready to explore one of the most dynamic and captivating cities in the Middle East? Today, we're taking you on an unforgettable journey through Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, a city where ancient history meets futuristic marvels. From towering skyscrapers to hidden desert gems, Riyadh is packed with breathtaking sights you have to see. So buckle up because we're counting down the 6 most jaw-dropping places you must visit in Riyadh. Trust us, you won't believe some of these spots exist. Six, Riyadh Front, the pulsing heart of the city's new beat. In the ever-evolving tapestry of Riyadh, where tradition and modernity dance in harmony, there emerges a space that captures the city's bold spirit, Riyadh Front. More than just a destination, it's an experience, a vibrant symphony of leisure, luxury, and life unfolding under the vast Saudi sky. Riyadh Front isn't just a shopping and entertainment hub. It's a stage where the city's heartbeat grows louder. With sleek architecture that mirrors Riyadh's ambition, every corner tells a story of innovation, from high-end boutiques to gourmet restaurants that tempt the palate with flavors from around the world. Riyadh Front is a reflection of a city stepping confidently into the future while staying rooted in its warmth and hospitality. It's where memories are made, where the pulse of Riyadh's new era beats strongest. 5. Kingdom Center Tower, a modern marvel in the heart of Riyadh. Rising like a blade of light against the vast desert sky, the Kingdom Center Tower stands as a breathtaking symbol of ambition, luxury, and architectural brilliance. Located in the vibrant heart of Riyadh, this iconic skyscraper isn't just a building, it's a statement. A fusion of cutting-edge design and cultural significance. It dominates the skyline at 302 meters, making it one of the tallest structures in Saudi Arabia. Designed by the renowned Ellerbe Beckett and Omrani Associates, the tower's sleek, curved silhouette is instantly recognizable. Crowned by its signature sky bridge, a gravity-defying arch that seems to float between the two pinnacles. This architectural masterpiece isn't just for show. It houses a dazzling mix of high-end shopping, world-class offices, and a luxurious Four Seasons hotel where elegance meets unparalleled service. The Kingdom Center Tower is more than steel and glass. It's a testament to Saudi Arabia's bold vision for the future, a place where tradition and innovation meet in perfect harmony. Four, Edge of the World, where the earth falls away. Standing at the edge of the world, the vast emptiness before you is both humbling and exhilarating. This is Jebel Fayrain, a sheer cliff rising from the desert, where the golden plains of Saudi Arabia abruptly end, plunging into an endless horizon. The journey here is a pilgrimage through raw, untamed beauty, rugged valleys, winding trails, and the occasional glimpse of desert wildlife. And then, suddenly, the ground disappears. One step forward, and you're met with a drop so sheer, so vast, it feels like standing at the brink of eternity. The Tuwaiq escarpment stretches for hundreds of kilometers, a natural fortress carved by time itself. Below, the desert floor stretches endlessly, a canvas of sun-baked earth and winding dry riverbeds. The silence is profound, broken only by the distant cry of soaring falcon. Three, Masmak Fortress. Standing as a silent sentinel in the heart of Riyadh, the Masmak Fortress is more than just an ancient structure. It is a powerful symbol of Saudi Arabia's rich history and the birthplace of a kingdom. Built from thick clay and mud brick in 1865, its imposing walls and towering watchtowers tell tales of resilience, conquest, and the unification of a nation. The very gates that once echoed with the clash of swords now welcome visitors to explore a museum where artifacts, photographs, and immersive exhibits breathe life into the past. The fortress itself is a masterpiece of knotty architecture, with its sturdy defenses, narrow arrow slits, and a massive wooden door still marked by the spear that struck it during the legendary battle. Each corner whispers stories of bravery and vision, reminding us how this stronghold became the cornerstone of a unified kingdom. Two, the National Museum of Saudi Arabia, a journey through time. Standing proudly in the heart of Riyadh, the National Museum of Saudi Arabia is more than just a building. It's a gateway to the past, a treasure chest of stories waiting to be discovered. From the moment you step inside, you're transported on an extraordinary journey through the rich tapestry of Saudi history, culture, and heritage. The museum's grand architecture, with its sweeping curves and elegant design, mirrors the timeless beauty of the Arabian Peninsula. Inside, the halls come alive with immersive exhibits, each one a masterpiece of storytelling. Ancient artifacts whisper tales of civilizations long gone. Prehistoric fossils, intricate rock carvings, and relics from the prosperous kingdoms of Dilmun, Nabatea, and Alula. Interactive exhibits showcase the nation's rapid transformation, from the discovery of oil to the ambitious Vision 2030. The blend of tradition and modernity is seamless, reminding visitors that Saudi Arabia is a land where history and progress walk hand in hand. One, Diriyah, the timeless heart of Saudi Arabia. Nestled on the outskirts of modern Riyadh, Diriyah stands as a majestic testament to Saudi Arabia's rich heritage, a place where history whispers through the weathered bricks of its ancient walls. This was the birthplace of the first Saudi state, the cradle of a dynasty that shaped a nation, and today, it is a mesmerizing blend of past and future, where tradition and vision walk hand in hand. As you wander through the labyrinthine pathways of At Tiroif, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the grandeur of mud brick palaces and towering citadels transports you back to the 18th century. The air carries echoes of scholars, warriors, and leaders who once walked these very streets, their legacies etched into the very foundations of Saudi identity. The intricate knotty architecture, with its geometric precision and earthen hues, tells a story of resilience, artistry, and a deep connection to the land. And there you have it, 6 absolutely breathtaking places in Riyadh that will leave you in awe, from the towering heights of the kingdom center to the ancient wonders of Diriyah. This city is packed with unforgettable experiences just waiting to be explored. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more travel adventures, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides. Have you been to any of these spots? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your Riyadh adventures.